How to photograph a man in a cool way with slightly hard lighting. In this video, I will show you how to photograph a man in a cool way using different light quality and light direction. When photographing a man, even when there are strong shadows, it will look cool, unlike when photographing a woman. He will look more masculine if the contrast is a bit higher. First, let's take the light straight on with the AD200 attached to the Godox parabolic softbox. The flash and the subject are about 3 meters apart, and because it's a little far, the light will be slightly harder. And this light is from the front, so it hits flat. When the light hits directly from the front, the image becomes unique, and you can take a cool photograph of the man. Next, we try hitting the softbox from an angle. The distance between the flash and the subject is 1.5 meters, so even though it's closer than before, the light becomes a bit hard. It's hitting from an angle, so it also presents a three-dimensional quality to the face, and the shadows on the wall also display nicely. The contrast on the face is a little high, so the image looks very cool masculine. Next, we remove the softbox and apply the AD200 directly from the front of the subject. The light is harder than before, but since we are aiming from the front, we can't really see the shadows, so this photo doesn't look much different than our first photo. Lastly, let's try aiming the AD200 diagonally. This time, shadows are stronger and clearer than before. The shadows on his face and the shadows on the wall are both strong shadows, so man really looks even cooler. In all the photographs, the man looks very cool. I like the photo we took with the shadows from the softbox because besides looking cool, there's a sense of gentleness too. Which image did you like best?